Hi friends, my name is Jude. Today I'll be showing you how you can hide your message in a picture. The steps are quite very simple. So I'll make use of my picture. It's quite necessary to learn these simple steps and be able to hide your message in a picture so that people don't get to read your message. So I'll be doing that in few simple steps. Let me quickly get the picture I'll be using. That's my picture. So let me get the picture. Okay, yes, here's the picture. So let me view the picture. It's a JPG file. Alright, this is a picture. Okay, so we now have a picture. So we'll now go ahead and create our message. So we'll be making use of a text editor. So in this case we'll be using Notepad. So let me quickly open the Notepad and I can now create my message. So my message will go here. I love Okaka. Okaka offers free advert solution, learning, promotion, and whole lots of other services. Okaka is your best website. Visit okaka.com today. Alright, this is our message. We'll now go ahead and save the message. We'll save it in the same place where the our picture is. So we'll save as. Alright, let's save this as my message.txt. Alright, let me click save. Okay, we can now close this. Okay, here is the message. My message. Let's view the message. I love Okaka. Okaka offers free advanced solution, learning, promotion, and a whole lot of other services. Okaka is your best website. Visit okaka.com today. Alright. Okay, so we now have our message and our picture. So we'll go ahead and hide this message in this picture so that people don't get to read our message. So to do that, I'll be opening a command prompt. So let me quickly hold down the Windows key, Windows button, and press R. Yes, I'll now type CMD. Okay, and hit enter. Okay, so we are there. So let me quickly copy the message into the picture. I'll say copy /b. The message is, the picture is onyi.jpg plus, because I'm combining the two, my message.txt. Then I will now leave a space, yes, and type the name of the new picture. So the picture should be new picture.jpg. Alright, I'll hit enter. Alright, as you can see, onyi.jpg, my message.txt, one file copied. Alright, so it's been copied. Let's exit. I'll type exit and hit enter. Alright, so as you can see, here is the new picture here. Let me view the picture. As you can see, that's the same old picture, but this one has a message. Alright, okay, I can now go ahead and delete this and delete this message. So I'm now left with this new picture. So no one could guess what is inside the picture. They would think it's an ordinary picture, but this one has a message. So no one could be able to read our message, but in order to view this message, um, if the person you're sending it to actually knows that this picture contains a message, the person should be able to view the message only if the person knows how to do that. To do that, you open the picture using a text editor. You'll be making use of Notepad. Just right click on the picture and go to open with, then we choose Notepad here. Is loading. So let's give it some time to finish loading. So actually this is very necessary. You can hide your message like this. Maybe if you want to send your message to someone else and you don't want people to get to see the message, you do it this way. So to view the message, you scroll down to the bottom of the page. You scroll down, 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 down. Yes, here's the message. I love Okaka. Okaka offers free advanced solution, learning, promotion, and whole lot of other services. All right. Um, Okaka is your best website. Visit okaka.com today. That's it. That's how to hide your message in a picture. Please, thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe. Thank you.